The relation between the respectable court officers and Third Eye Media private investigator is primarily collaborative, with lawyers frequently hiring Third Eye investigator to gather evidence, interview witnesses, and conduct background research that supports their cases. We conduct investigations, like surveillance and asset searches, to uncover information that strengthens the lawyer's ability to represent their client effectively. This relationship benefits lawyers by maintaining attorney-witness privilege and providing specialized investigative skills. Lawyers hire Third Eye private investigator for specific purposes. Evidence gathering. We can uncover crucial evidence through surveillance, background checks, and witness interviews, which is vital for building a strong case. Witness interviewing. Instead of the lawyer interviewing witnesses themselves, we can do it to avoid potential conflict, as the lawyer might be called to testify if they have direct knowledge of the facts, which could compromise their client representation. Background and due diligence. Lawyers use Third Eye for due diligence, asset searches, and other background investigations, especially in areas like divorce cases or mergers and acquisitions. Strategic advantage. We are trained in specialized investigative techniques that many lawyers lack, giving the legal team a significant advantage in their investigations. Benefits of the lawyer-Third Eye partnership. Maintaining privilege. By using Third Eye for investigation, the lawyer can remain neutral and avoid becoming a necessary witness in their own trial, preserving attorney-client privilege. Focus on legal strategy. Handle the legwork of gathering evidence, allowing the lawyer to concentrate on developing legal strategy and representing their client in court. Specialized skills. We have expertise in specific areas like surveillance, computer forensics, and interviews, which can be critical for uncovering facts that are essential to a case. How the relationship works. Client or attorney initiated. Lawyers often hire Third Eye either before a case is even filed, to assess the viability of a potential claim, or during active litigation. Diverse case types. The relationship is common in criminal defense, family law, divorce, and complex civil matters like corporate investigations. Professional symbiosis. The collaboration is a symbiotic relationship, where investigative work provides a foundation for the lawyer's legal expertise to be applied effectively. Thanking to all the respectable court officers for your kind cooperation. Third Eye Media Private Investigation.